More and more renewable energy is being integrated into the grid and used by industrial companies. However, there is often a mismatch between variable energy production and energy demand, preventing the optimal use of renewable energy sources. In the FLEX4FACT project, smart digital tools are being developed together with 5 industrial companies. These tools will help increase the energy flexibility of industrial companies, thereby supporting the integration of renewable energy sources and the sustainability of industrial processes. To achieve its objectives, the FLEX4FACT concept consists of several modules that interact with each other. The physical layer includes the manufacturing processes and energy assets of industrial companies that can provide energy flexibility through smart management. Industrial and energy data from key devices of the physical layer is collected by sensors and further stored and processed. Data is then used by digital twins to simulate the manufacturing processes and industrial energy system, allowing to run different scenarios and measure their impacts on the ongoing processes. These different scenarios are compared and assessed by the management layer. It selects the optimal one based on predefined criteria, and then adjusts automatically the manufacturing schedule and the plant's energy management to meet the efficiency, emission and cost targets. At the heart of the FLEX4FACT concept is the flexibility platform. It enables to pool several industrial companies together, allowing to increase the energy flexibility and optimize the sustainability of companies on a larger scale. The FLEX4FACT concept will be demonstrated in 5 industrial companies spread across all Europe, featuring different manufacturing processes and energy plants. Pilot companies include Celsa Group, one of Europe's leading multinational steel companies; Standard Profile, a Spanish manufacturer of sealing systems for the automotive industry; Innoventa Solar, a Norwegian company producing high-quality solar collectors; SIAC Sub, an Italian SME specialized in underwater sport equipment; and Theben AG, a German manufacturer of electronic products for the smart energy and smart metering markets.
FLEX4FACT's tools and knowledge will accelerate the digital and energy transformation in industrial companies in Europe and support the integration of new renewable energy sources, making EU industry greener and more competitive.